Hey, I'm Brandon.
And I'm Hans Peterson with Burlsusa.com.
And we want to show you the Burls belt buckle knife. Our belt is a full grain 9-ounce bridle leather belt in your choice of brown or black with snaps to secure the belt with or without the knife buckle. Securing the belt is slightly different than a traditional belt. You start with your side loop, bring the belt around, feed the front of the belt through the front loop, fasten, and slide the buckles to the side. This is necessary so that you can deploy your belt buckle without losing your pants. Our knife buckle is a 2.5-inch stainless steel dagger that doubles as a bottle opener. Simply slides onto your belt and hides away in the sheath like so. The concealed knife deploys in a matter of seconds, making for an excellent concealed self-defense weapon. For more information, please visit our website
at Burlsusa.com. Stay safe.